Dogwifhat, $WIF, surges with whale accumulation. Eyes breakout above $1.10. Dogwifhat, whale. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. WIF's value is rising as large investors accumulate the token, and WIFStrategy's efforts to attract institutional investment transform it from a meme coin into a DeFi asset with tangible use cases and potential for a significant price increase. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Author. Jimmy Aki. Author. Jimmy Aki. About author. Jimmy has nearly 10 years of experience as a journalist and writer in the blockchain industry. He has worked with well-known publications such as Bitcoin Magazine, CCN, and Blockonomy covering news. Author profile. Share. Copied. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Last updated. July 16, 2025. Why trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Disclaimer: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. You could lose all of your capital. Dogwifhat, $WIF, the viral Solana-based meme coin, is making headlines again. WIF rebounded after weeks of consolidation to change hands at $1.12, an 8.2% increase in the last 24 hours. This is backed by a $1.1 billion market cap and a 24-hour volume of $664 million. Bullish indicators, including whale accumulation and a validator partnership, point to a potential breakout. Source: CoinGecko. DeFi utility and WIFStrategy push meme coin into institutional territory. Dogwifhat was launched in 2023 and quickly gained momentum in the meme coin space due to a strong community and huge volume. After suffering a dip from late 2024 to early 2025, WIF is experiencing a swift reversal from its earlier downtrend. It is now exhibiting strong upward momentum and approaching a potential breakout zone. In early July, over $39 million WIF tokens were accumulated by large holders, suggesting strong confidence in the token's future. This trend mirrors the growing optimism that WIF may soon break key resistance zones and target new highs. Adding to the bullish narrative, DeFi DevCorp partnered on June 24 to launch a dedicated $WIF validator on Solana. This move allows WIF holders to earn staking rewards, ushering in an actual DeFi use case for what was once considered just another meme coin. In February, another sign emerged when an on-chain wallet withdrew $14 million WIF, over $15 million, from Binance for vesting purposes. Rather than indicating a sell-off, this pointed to structured, long-term token management, often a sign of healthy project fundamentals. Another major catalyst is the emergence of WIFStrategy, an institutional-grade move to bridge professional, institutional participation in the WIF ecosystem. The presence of WIFStrategy reinforces the idea that Dogwifhat is transitioning from a meme coin to a multifaceted digital asset. Source: WIFStrategy X account. With over 108,000 on-chain holders and a steadily growing ecosystem, $WIF is evolving from meme status to a hybrid of culture and utility. Analysts are watching closely as the token approaches $1.10, many eyeing an ADH break of $6 or beyond. $WIF eyes $1.12 breakout, will surging demand seal the deal. On the hourly price chart, $WIF has been tracing a steady recovery since breaking out from below 90 cents levels earlier in the week. $WIF price action has formed a clear series of higher lows and higher highs, pushing into an ascending channel that has carried it toward the $1.10 to $1.12 region. When analyzed closely, investors will notice that each upward leg has been driven by expanding volume. $WIF price chart, July 16th. Source: TradingView. At the same time, pullbacks have seen lighter turnover, a sign of dip absorption rather than broad-based selling. The most recent rally touched $1.1197 before supply emerged, leaving upper wicks and indicating that sellers are actively defending that zone. Even so, the structure remains intact above prior pivot supports around $1.04 and $1, areas that now serve as key bases in the trend. The intraday volume footprint adds clarity to this behavior. Bars with heavy positive delta, such as a 799.55K delta with over 16.1 million in buying versus 15.3 million in selling, show where aggressive buyers stepped in and drove the asset's price higher. $WIF volume chart, July 16th. Source: TradingView. Another strong footprint reading at 1.01 million positive delta shows continued buying interest. However, the chart also displays moments of resistance, including a minus 400.91K delta bar, where sellers absorbed demand and capped the move. The back and forth between strong buying and strong selling in the footprint lines up with the areas on the price chart where price paused or struggled, such as around $1.12 resistance and the $1.08 to $1.09 pullback zones. The data from CoinGlass on derivatives ties this together. Open interest jumped by over 14% to $508 million, while long/short ratios skewed firmly long, particularly on Binance, where top traders show a 2.1573 ratio, which is a clear bullish position. $WIF derivatives data page. Source: CoinGlass. Liquidation metrics show more pressure on shorts, with $1.59 million liquidated compared to $945,000 on longs, indicating bullish positioning has so far been rewarded. That bullish tilt, however, also makes the market sensitive to failure at resistance, as crowded longs can unwind quickly. If buyers manage to sustain momentum and push through the $1.12 barrier on strong volume and positive delta footprints, a breakout toward $1.15 to $1.18 becomes likely. Should price instead lose grip on $1.04 support with selling pressure accelerating in the footprint, it would indicate a breakdown and open the door for a deeper retracement toward $1 or below. The $1.12 resistance and $1.04 support now define the key levels that will decide the next decisive move. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. ChatGPT predicts the price of XRP, Picoin, and Dogecoin by the end of 2025. XRP price prediction. NYSE approves first 2x XRP ETF. Is $1,000 XRP now in play? Live, XRP price tracker July 17, 2025. Rally continues. Is Ripple going to reach a new ADH today? Price analysis. XRP price prediction July 17, 2025. Is Ripple price going to $4 today after launch of UXRP ETF? 8 hours ago. By Alejandro Arich. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. Institutional inflows hit $3.7 billion. Could XRP hit $100 in 2025? 2 days ago. By Alejandro Arich. Press releases. Analyst explains why he is not selling XRP as this altcoin could be the best alternative. Best crypto to buy now in July 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 2 days ago. By Alan Draper. Best new cryptocurrencies to invest in July 17, 2025. 6 hours ago. By Inesis Tavares. 14